Friends, today we have brought for you such an incident that will surprise you. SDM Anjali Sharma was going to her younger brother's wedding wearing a simple sari and riding a scooter in a very simple attire, neither a government car nor any security guards, just like a common girl. She was riding a scooter. As soon as she reached the highway, she saw a police barricade. 3 or 4 policemen were standing on the road and in the middle. Inspector Vijay Kumar was standing in uniform. As soon as he came forward, he raised his hand and asked Anjali to stop. Then Anjali Sharma parked the scooter on one side. There was a kind of roughness in the inspector's voice. He asked, "Where are you going?" Anjali replied calmly, "I am going to my brother's wedding." Inspector Vijay Kumar looked at Anjali from top to bottom and smiled. "So you are going to your brother's wedding, but you are not wearing a helmet, and you were riding the scooter very fast. Come on, you will be fined." As soon as he said this, the inspector took out the fine book. Anjali understood that it was just an excuse. She said, "Sir, I have not broken any rule." A constable next to her said, "Hey madam, will you teach us the law?" Then he leaned towards Anjali and whispered, "We have to teach her a lesson." Suddenly, the inspector slapped Anjali hard on the cheek and said, "You are asking too many questions. When the police say something, you have to listen silently." For a moment, Anjali's head reeled, but she composed herself. Fire was burning in her eyes. The inspector laughed loudly and said to his companions, "She still has spirit, I see. We have to teach her a good lesson." A constable came forward and said, "Sir, let's take her to the police station. We can deal with her comfortably there." The inspector nodded and said, "Yes, take her to the police station. Then she will understand what the police are." A constable grabbed Anjali's hand and pulled her, "Get in the car." Anjali angrily pulled her hand away and said, "Don't dare touch my hand." The inspector's temper flared. He told a constable, "Break her spirit." That constable came and grabbed Anjali's hair and started pulling her forcibly. Anjali winced in pain, but still, she kept her identity a secret. She wanted to see how low these people could stoop. Then a policeman angrily kicked Anjali's scooter. "You pretend to be very innocent. Now the game is over." Anjali fully understood how low they could stoop. The fire in the inspector's eyes. He shouted, "I have seen many spirited women like you. You dare to teach the police a lesson? Come on to the police station. I will show you fun." SDM Anjali Sharma was still silent. She had not revealed her identity. She wanted to see how rotten the system was. The inspector became impatient. The girl standing in front of him, whom he had slapped, pulled her hair and forcibly dragged her. She was still silent. The inspector said, "Come to the police station. I will make you understand there." Two constables grabbed Anjali's hands and started pulling her. "Leave me," Anjali said loudly this time. The inspector laughed and said, "So you have opened your mouth. Come to the police station. Let's see how far your spirit goes." As soon as they entered the police station, the inspector shouted, "Hey, bring tea and snacks. A special case has come." Anjali was still calm. She was observing how the police behaved with common people. The inspector whispered to a junior, "Just frame her in a theft or pickpocketing case. We just need to get her inside." Anjali was hearing everything but not reacting. The inspector said, rotating his pen, "Tell me your name. Tell me your address." Anjali was silent. The inspector said again, "What is your name?" Anjali was still silent. The inspector slammed the table. "Can't you hear? Tell me your name." "Neha Kapoor." Anjali told a false name. The inspector smiled and said, "You are clever, I see. But don't be too clever, you will make a big mistake." Anjali was forcibly put in the lockup, a dirty, foul-smelling room where the women were already sitting. "What did you do?" one woman asked. Anjali said, "Nothing." Now she was seeing if an SDM could be in such a situation, how much more oppressed common people could be. The inspector was preparing a fake report. Frame her in a case of theft and blackmail, a constable said. "But sir, without proof," the inspector said. "Proof is made in this police station." A short while later, a constable pushed Anjali. She hit the wall, but there was no fear on her face. The inspector was about to slap her. Just then, stop! An officer was standing at the door. Inspector Rahul Singh, known as an honest officer in the police station. He was shocked to see the women. "What is going on here?" he asked in a stern voice. Vijay Kumar said, "Nothing, sir. A girl from the streets was being a bit clever, so I am teaching her a lesson." Rahul Singh was suspicious. He looked at Anjali and said, "What is your name?" Anjali was silent. Vijay Kumar laughed. "Sir, she's not even telling her name." Rahul Singh became alert. "Okay, keep her in a separate room. I will see her myself." Anjali was taken to an even darker and dirtier room. The room had a broken table and a rusty iron almirah. Anjali was seeing how low this administration had stooped. This experience was opening her eyes. Just then, a constable came running and said, "Sir, a big car has come outside." Vijay Kumar said, "The DM Sahib has entered the police station." There was clear anger in his eyes. He asked Inspector Vijay Kumar in a stern voice, "Inspector Vijay Kumar, what is going on here?" Vijay Kumar nervously said, "Everything is fine. Sir, nothing. It is a minor case." The DM Sahib picked up Anjali's file kept on the table and started reading it carefully. His forehead creased. Then he looked at Anjali and said, "So many cases against this woman. What proof do you have?" Vijay Kumar was completely stunned. The DM Sahib now directly asked Anjali, "What is your name?" Anjali smiled slightly and for the first time revealed her real identity. Anjali Sharma, SDM. A storm of surprise erupted in the entire police station. Vijay Kumar's hands and feet trembled. All the policemen were stunned that Anjali Sharma, whom Vijay Kumar had thought to be a fraud and wanted to frame in a fake case, was actually an SDM. Everyone in the police station was speechless. "SDM, madam." Vijay Kumar could not believe his ears. Anjali now expressed herself completely calmly. In a calm but firm voice, she said, "Inspector Vijay Kumar, you are suspended. A departmental inquiry will be held against you and a case will also be filed." It was as if the sky had fallen on Vijay Kumar's head. The policeman started maintaining distance from him. Rahul Singh immediately ordered, "Take Constable Vijay Kumar into custody." As soon as the constable moved to arrest Vijay Kumar, suddenly Vijay Kumar took out a paper from his pocket. He smiled and said, "Look at this. This is my transfer order. I was transferred 3 days ago, so you cannot suspend me." Again, silence fell over the entire police station. Anjali took the paper in her hand and read it carefully. The DM Sahib asked, "Is this real or fake?" He looked at Rahul Singh and ordered, "Verify this paper immediately, even if it is real." Vijay Kumar's suspension cannot be stopped. Vijay Kumar's smile suddenly vanished. Because if a government employee does not leave his duty even after transfer and is involved in any crime, disciplinary action can be taken against him. Rahul Singh immediately checked the online record. He looked up and said, "Sir, the paper is real, but Vijay Kumar has not yet handed over charge, meaning he is still officially in charge of this police station and has committed a crime during that time. Now nothing could save Vijay Kumar." SDM Anjali Sharma looked into Vijay Kumar's eyes and said, "Your real place will now be in the jail you created yourself. Arrest him," the DM Sahib immediately ordered. As soon as the arrest order came, the entire police station trembled. Vijay Kumar felt for the first time that he would not be saved. But suddenly he said, "1 minute. SDM, madam, I am not alone." He smiled and said, "What do you think? Am I the only corrupt person in this police station? Every member of this police station is involved with me." He looked at the rest of the policemen in the police station and said, "The whole route has reached up to the top." Some policemen immediately panicked. Rahul Singh became alert. Anjali looked at the DM Sahib and said, "Now we will have to ask for an answer from the SSP Sahib also." The DM immediately ordered, "The SP should also be called here." This incident caused a stir throughout the district. Some journalists were hiding outside the police station. As soon as they got the news that the entire police station had been suspended, they immediately started spreading this news. Now the incident was about to come to public light. Just then, A black-tinted car stopped in front of the police station. The SP Sahib himself had come. Entering the police station, he looked around. It was not a common scene there. The entire police station was suspended. He angrily shouted, "What is this? A drama?" But SDM Anjali was calm. She looked into the SP's eyes and said, "Do you think you will be saved?" Rahul Singh handed a file to the SDM. This file contained all the proofs of the SP Sahib's corruption. Anjali said in a stern voice, "SP Sahib, look at this, the documents of all your misdeeds." Now sweat started dripping from the SP Sahib's forehead. The DM Sahib ordered, "Arrest the SP." Now the entire police force was shocked. For the first time in their lives, someone had publicly arrested such a big officer. As soon as the SP Sahib was arrested, it was as if an earthquake had occurred in the entire administration. This case now reached the state level. The chief minister of the state immediately ordered, all corrupt officers in the district should be arrested. After this order, more than 40 police officers, more than 10 IPS officers, and several politicians were arrested. SDM Anjali Sharma's honesty shook the entire system. A new administration was formed in the entire district. From now on, strict action was started against corruption. SDM Anjali's mission was successful. She proved that with the power of honesty, an entire system can be changed. Friends, how did you like this story? Let us know by commenting. Also, tell us which district you are watching from. Also, tell us what kind of story you want next. We will try to provide stories like you want. Use arrow up and arrow down to select a turn. Enter to jump to it and escape to return to the chat.